My laptop is Dell Latitude E5470 and you can see my battery is dead. The amber light is blinking on my battery LED indicator. Now you shut down the PC or laptop and wait for it to shut down completely. Remove all other cables except the power cable and wait for the lights to be off. You can see that now my computer is shut down, only the AC is working. Remove the AC's cable and flip the laptop. Take out the small screwdriver and remove the screws in the back panel. Actually you need to remove only the 3 screws which is I am showing now. The rest of the screw you don't need to remove, but just unscrew it and keep it in the same back slot. You can see that now I'm removing only 3 slots. Rest of the screws I'm just releasing it, but I'm not taking out from the slot. You can see that I made it clear. Let's take out the back panel. I'm sorry for the video shaking. Take out the battery after you remove the 2 screws attached with the battery panel. Now you can see I removed the screws and let's take out the battery. After you take out the battery, you need to remove the power cable from the battery. I remove the power cable and you can see this is my new battery, which is the same model, same spec of the one I had. It's from the Dell actually. So just connect the power cable and you can see that connect the power cable like this, and after that organize the cable under on the path that's given already. After you organize the cable, you just need to flip the battery and put it on the battery slot correctly, and after that you need to screw the battery panel to make it safe. You can see I'm inserting the 2 screws which I removed earlier. After you made this one, after you tied the screws, you have to put the back panel. Let's put the back panel on and insert the 3 screws attached and screw it all. After the 3 screws you inserted, and make sure all the screws are tightened, and just plug the power cable after you have done this one to see that the battery is working. You can see there is light is changed and the battery is getting charged. Thank you for watching. Bye.